Excellency past President Nisha Dua and Executive Member Jaya Khatri will take you through physical cum virtual 56th installation ceremony of Innovi Club of Nagpur East 2021-22.
नव उमंग की नव तरंग का नव जीवन संचार करें। नवल सत्र के नवल सत्र पर यह अभिनंदन स्वीकार करें। स्वागत स्वागत स्वागत।
It's a privilege to welcome you all with love in our hearts and smiles on your faces.
As the international Innerville theme goes pink first, I can see so many beautiful ladies in pink ready to face challenges ahead.
Now I may request Club President Shobha Bhatia to call this meeting to order. Please come forward. Honorary Secretary Shobha Meshwari, please. Thank you.
There is a personal conversation. There is a personal conversation with God, which turns towards compassion and gratitude. I kindly request to all of you to raise your right hand while Honorary Secretary Shobha Maheshwari to render inner will prayer. Shobha Maheshwari, please come forward for prayer. Please keep your phone on silent mode.
Shall I start? मित्र भाव
Request you to please raise your hand.
मित्र भाव के सत्य अर्थ को हम सब में है ईश्वर भर दो। हम सब ही है तेरे बालक, भूले ना यह इतना कर दो। धर्म और संस्कृति भेदों का मन में नहीं स्थान रहे, सभी मानवों की सेवा का हमें सदा ही ध्यान रहे। आवश्यकता हमें मदद की हो सकती है, याद रहे सेवा करने की जरूरत है, जहाँ कहीं भी आन पड़े। सेवा करने को सब जन की तत्पर हम सब डटे रहे। इनरव्हील की शान बढ़ाए, यह वर हमें प्रदान करे। मानव जीवन व्यर्थ न जाए, प्रभु यह कृपा प्रदान करे। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, Shobha Meshwari. As for Indian culture, we start in auspicious occasion by lighting of the traditional lamp. So I request incoming Dr. Jyoda Mohta, incoming Secretary Asha Ji Chaudhary to kindly escort today's speakers Archana Ji Gupta and guest of honor District Secretary Sheila Ji Deshmukh for lighting of the lamp. For lighting, President Shobha Bhatia and Honorary Secretary Shobha Maheshwari may please come forward and join them.
शुभं करोति कल्याणम् आयु आरोग्य धन संपदा शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय दीपं ज्योति नमोस्तुते दीपं ज्योति नमोस्तुते। शुभं करोति कल्याणम् आयु आरोग्य धन संपदा शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय दीपं ज्योति नमोस्तुते दीपं ज्योति नमोस्तुते।
Thank you all.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
Thank you all. Request you all dignitaries to please be seated on the dais.
दिलों को दिलों से जोड़ता है संगीत, दिलों को दिलों से जोड़ता है संगीत, तो एहसास कराता है गीत। इसी श्रृंखला में मैं सरिता पाराशर जी को लेकर आ रही हैं जो एक डिवोशनल सॉन्ग। सरिता जी। गीतों के माध्यम से हम सभी भावनाएं अपनी इतनी अच्छी तरह से व्यक्त कर सकते हैं, भजन के माध्यम से, गजल से। तो सरिता जी हमारे लिए devotional song लेकर आई हैं। बहुत सुंदर।
ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है। आती है आंधियां तो कर उनका खैर मकदम, आती है आंधियां तो कर उनका खैर मकदम, तूफान से ही तो लड़ने खुदा ने तुझे गढ़ा है। ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है। अग्नि में तप के सोना है और भी निखरता, अग्नि में तप के सोना है और भी निखरता, दुर्गम को पार करके हिमालय कोई चढ़ा है। लाएगी रंग मेहनत आखिर तुम्हारी एक दिन, लाएगी रंग मेहनत आखिर तुम्हारी एक दिन, होगा विशाल तरवर वो बीज जो पड़ा है। ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है। वो सर्व शक्तियों से जब साथ है हमारे, वो सर्व शक्तियों से जब साथ है हमारे, हर काम उसके रहते आसानियों से हुआ। कभी हारना ना, हिम्मत का कदम बढ़ाओ। कभी हारना ना, हिम्मत का कदम बढ़ाओ। हजारों कदम बढ़ाने वो सामने खड़ा है। ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है। मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है।
Thank you, Sarita, for the melodious, soulful song with your sweet voice. I now request President Shobha Bhatia to welcome all with her opening remarks.
Very good afternoon to everybody, one and all over here. Our honorable guests, Archana Ji Kothari, our Sheila Ji Deshmukh, District Secretary, and all the members, past presidents, everybody, I welcome you all here in this August gathering, and thank you very much.
Thank you, Shobha. Now I would like to recognize the presence of District Chairman Ashwini Gujarati, who is present virtually with us, and Dr. Narendra Mota, District ISO Ramagarh, past President Padma Mahan, Tehseen Mehmood, Usha Bhojwani, Jagdeep Dugal, and Jyoti Kothari. These are all our members. We heartily welcome you all for installation ceremony.
वेलकम है सभी का। मैं आज की हमारी चीफ गेस्ट डॉक्टर अर्चना जी कोठारी जी के लिए चंद पंक्तियां कहना चाहूंगी। जो दिल का हो खूबसूरत, जो दिल का हो खूबसूरत, खुदा ने ऐसे लोग कम बनाए हैं, और जिन्हें ऐसा बनाया है वो हमारी महफिल में खुद आए हैं। थैंक यू। मैं शोभा भाटिया जी से कहना चाहूंगी कि वे हमारे चीफ गेस्ट का सैपलिंग से स्वागत करें।
Welcome to INW installation. Dr. Archana Kothari.
मैं आज की हमारी गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर मिसेस शीला जी देशमुख, डिस्ट्रिक्ट सेक्रेटरी के स्वागत में चंद पंक्तियां प्रस्तुत करना चाहती हूँ। दिल को सुकून मिलता है मुस्कुराने से, दिल को सुकून मिलता है मुस्कुराने से, और महफिल में रौनक आती है आपके आने से। आपका तहे दिल से स्वागत है, स्वागत है। मैं डॉक्टर उज्ज्वला जी से कहना चाहूंगी कि वे हमारी गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर का सैपलिंग से स्वागत करें।
Friends, please welcome our Innerville District Secretary, Sheila Ji Deshmukh. Thank you all. Friends, the nostalgic memories of Nagpur East Club are enclosed in the album with black and white pictures, so well preserved and timely updated by our past presidents since 1966-67 till date. This itself speaks of our club history. Let's hear more from our club treasurer, past president, Anita Ji Jain, so meticulous in her work. Anita Ji, please come forward and highlight our club history.
Angela ji, Sheila ji, dear friends. The journey of Innerville Club of Nagpur East has been fascinating, with a turbulent history moving from District 315 to 314 and now District 303. Our club took shape in August 1966 and received its charter of non-districted club as on 1st of January 1967. From IIW past Rotary International Director
Adul C. Adulji presented charter to founder president Mrs. Geeta Malani and founder secretary Mrs. Indu Mati Korti. Over the years, our club has been represented by dynamic presidents, two district chairmen, Mrs. Usha Kapoor and Mrs. Razia Nisar. Usha Kapoor was the district chairman in 1973-74 in District 315, and Mrs. Nadia Rizal, also from District 315, was district chairman in 1976-77. And Mrs. Indu Mati Korke was district secretary. In the initial years of club, we were committed to society helping Balwadis, old age homes, tea plantations, vaccination camps. Since more than a decade now, Nagpur East has focused on first areas of district chairman, education, and IIW boards. Most successful and unique projects till date are adoption of villages, awareness lectures on adolescent girls' health, free multi-specialty screening care for dyslexia children. It has been held for a number of years in continuation. Financial assistance to needy students, vocational training, cataract surgeries for senior citizens, Save Girl Child campaign, road rally on green environment, and Dayanand Arya Kanya Vidyalaya School was adopted, Mission Challenge Women, Mission Mamta seminar and projects, IIW Day celebrated among special children mentally challenged women. Ongoing projects, PP Khatija Mehmood Memorial Project at Kalyan Tech and Dub School, which we do every year. Eye care for students, donation for students, are given to us by all is not work, as members enjoy fellowship by charity movies and exhibitions, picnics and festivals. Club Charter Day is celebrated with great zeal. Our club has the opportunity to host district rally under presidency of Ratna Jajani in 1978-79, District Assembly under Ujjwala Motaji 1997-98, Intercity Forum and District Zonal Meet under Nisha Dua 206 and 207, Save Girl Child District Seminar under Yamuna Sharma 209-210. We hosted zonal meet in the year 2011 and 2012 when Mrs. Bimla was the president. In 2017 and 18, Overcast sponsored a new club, Inner Wheel Club of Orange City. In 2019 and 20, PBC Razia Nisar was honored with 50 years of Inner Wheel Service Award at the West Indies. It was indeed a proud moment for our club when the dais was shared by founder president Mrs. Geeta Malani and club's 50th president Association President Mrs. Mamta Agarwal, IPADP Dr. Rashmi Sharma, District Chairman Mrs. Prerna Bele, the Golden Jubilee celebration on 15th of May 2016 with the release of vaccine Swarnim Pat. 2019 and 20, UTC Razia Nisar was honored with 50 years of IW Service Award, hence continuing the beautiful journey. We had leaders with compassion for science and with golden hearts. My salute to every one of you who have put in hard work over the last 56 years. We can keep the wheel of service to the community ever moving to the best of our abilities. With all your thank you.
Thank you, Anita ji. Friends, before we start this year's presentation, the club presentation, I would like to highlight the club awards of year 2019-20 under the presidency of our beloved President Deepa Lalwani. The award due to pandemic, the award ceremony was held this year in the month of June by our district chairman, Vajanti T. Patel. So the awards are Vibrant President Award, second, Gosavi Club Award third, Vijay Ratli Award trophy second, Literacy Trophy second, Cheer Up trophies are B.T. Maliwal Trophy, Cancer Trophy, and Terminal Nariman Trophy. For miracles, under Mission Mountain, clubs together, logo everywhere. For courage, we got vocation training and remoting youngsters award. Also, Club IS award to Shobha Bhatia. Please give a big hand. Today it's sad that friend Deepa is not among us, but her daughter-in-law is following her footsteps. Juhi Lalwani. Please welcome Juhi Lalwani. She's among us.
And her
today. She's
daughter is
present
also,
today.
her daughter Pratibha.
Oh,
Pratibha.
Pratibha. Please welcome Deepa's daughter Pratibha and daughter-in-law Juhi Lalwani. Would you like to say a few words? Please come forward. I request District Secretary Sheilaji Deshmukh to please present the awards to Deepa's daughter-in-law. Please give her a big hand, friends.
अब दीपा जी को जूही में देखेंगे। जूही बहुत ऐसी बात है, झलक है, बिल्कुल झलक है।
दीपा की
अब हम
झलक है।
उन्हें मिस नहीं करेंगे। दीपा जी हमारे
So
साथ ही हैं।
happy to see you both here, and she's the youngest member of our
Yeah.
club.
Thank
We
you
would
so
love to
much.
have her with us.
We really must know. We haven't prepared anything yet, but we are proud.
जूही
Thank you, Innovi. Thanks a lot for recognizing Mama's contribution for it. Mostly, I would start thanking Vajanti, the chairperson, that Mama is really the person who deserves this award because it's something really precious for us. Then I would like to thank entire team, followed by Secretary Ma'am Meera Kullerji, and then Treasurer Asha Chaudhary for volunteering Mama for all her works whenever she was in need. It is the proudest moment for all of us. For entire family, it is the proudest moment to see that our builder is holding so many awards. It is really impossible for us to even think about the work she has done. If she could have been there, it would be the proudest moment for her as well. And I cannot express in words that she was excited for this award ceremony. When
She
she
was
got to
waiting.
know
She
that
was
she is
eagerly
receiving
waiting.
this award, she was really excited. Last but not the least, it is always said that holding the present but not gifting it is something like holding gratitude but not expressing it. So I'm really grateful to entire team of Innovi for accepting me as a member and providing us such a amount. Thank you so much. It will be an honor to work with you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Juhi. Thank you so much, Pratibha.
Answer का भैया।
A woman with attitude of gratitude, a woman who believes in the 3 Cs of her life: chances, choice, and changes. I would like to wish you being healthy and hearty. ये लाइन्स है हमारी डायनेमिक एनर्जेटिक लेडी शोभा भाग्या जी के लिए।
Innovil is a wheel on the road with no end. Stones come in the way as hurdles, but once we pass through them, they become milestones to reach our target. Hence, the pandemic this year did not dampen our spirits, and it was indeed a proud moment for our club, as well as District 303, with the formation of a new Gen Club, Innovil Club of Nagpur Pearls, under the presidency of Shobha Bhagia, with the and Secretary Shobha Maheshwari, with the cooperation of all the team members.
Now I request our outgoing President Shobha Bhagia ji for presenting the yearly report of year 2020-21.
Thank you so much, Honorable our Chief Guest Archana ji. Women's IPP, our Sheila District Secretary, all our members, and my dear audience, uh, pink audience, I should say. Lead the change, hope, and seva. Friends, without united efforts we have during COVID pandemic, with hope and leading the change, we have done seva. Promote true friendship, to encourage the ideals of personal service, to foster international understanding, identify of self, noble cause, networking, empowerment, responsibility, work for peace, heal, enjoyment, empathy, and leadership, which has given opportunity for self-development and upliftment of the society. We have the gist of projects, activities, 365 days. Morning, we have done taught yoga and pranayam to all the people in India as well as abroad. We have distributed grocery items on a continuous basis for complete 12 months. Puri, chole, dal, rice, all this was sponsored by our Kalpana ji Sharma, and we have donated it to the needy people. Mental and physical health for 50 clubs we are organized. Women laws and legal rights by Poojaji Pute. Tree plantation done at 20 locations and at forest of Sangeeta Agarwalji's farmhouse and forest, wherein she helped us in organizing that event very well. Giloy distribution and other medicinal plants was done in and around NAPCO, and Kara distribution to more than 1 lakh of people we have distributed. Vivah of needy girl, we have done 2 projects. Adoption of girl child, what we have done 2 years back. We have been continuously helping this child, Sakshi. Our signature speaks by charming Dr. Jayashree Chabrani. Medicines, protein powder to cancer patient was given by our Swati Bhuchandani. Distribution of sweaters by Shobha Maheshwari. Distribution of umbrellas by Auja Aunty. Distribution of blankets by Mikaji Kular and Ushaji Bhujwani. Distribution of registers and mobiles by a person from Ulhasnagar. Sewing machine was again on a continuous basis was sponsored by our Kalpana ji Sharma. Leg operated sanitizer machines, 2 numbers were sponsored by Lakshmi Wadhwani and Sonal Lalwani. Women wellness seminar by Jharna De. Need of nutrition in our diet by Kiranji Mahan. Need of the hour is our attitude by Dr. Kavita Chandak. Age gracefully, be young forever. Agree to disagree. All these were organized for our members due to pandemic. Since we couldn't go out, we organized it on the Zoom on a continuous basis. Charter Day celebration was an excellent program, wherein our all past presidents had really played a very vital role in that program. To enhance immunity, power, and relaxation, naturopathy, mitti patti, oil massaging, everything was organized on the Zoom platform. Distribution to 40 missionaries Parivar was organized at Anita Ji's residence. Awareness regarding getting tested, 3 oximeters, sanitizer, masks, medicines by Sangeeta Ji Agarwal at Katla Bodi, wherein most of our members helped. Matra Seva Sangh project for COVID patients, wherein we gave PPE kits, masks, sanitizers, which was sponsored by Deepa's daughter-in-law. Then Nisha ji, Meera ji, Usha ji, Dr. Jyoti Methwani, Manisha Khare, and myself. Angel Club, as our MOC was telling Nisha ji, that we have opened MacBook World's Club, and it was a real fantastic way of working with the young generation. I really tell you, more than 20 projects we organized. Prizes were sponsored by myself and our Meera ji sponsored. Almost rupees 5 lakhs we people have spent on this, and I'm really thankful to one and all whoever has helped directly, indirectly. And friends, I must tell you that we have now come to the end, and I'm really feeling पेंडेमिक में कैसा साल आया और साल चला गया. Anyhow, I have enjoyed my time in the chair, and looking back over the past 12 months, I think these are the highlights. I'm sure more than almost 100 projects we have done during this pandemic, and all our members, they helped me throughout this pandemic by way of words, by way of materials. Everything was being donated. You can see from the picture, these all were donated. See, with the situation, we are going outside at the squares, and we are donated sewing machines at Miraji's, blankets at Miraji's place. So wherever it was possible, we went and we have done all these things, and really a great year. Thank you so much. Saturday.
Thank you, Shobha. Thank you so much for the beautiful presentation. And I would like to recognize the virtual presence of honorary member Mrs. Pramila Mathani, then Dr. Leela Pendam, Pooja Saluja, Renuka Verma, Sushma Malani, Vandana Sharma, and Lakshmi Wadhwani. These all are club members. And Vandana Mota.
Now I would like to, Shobha ji, to recognize the members who have helped her throughout her journey.
Thank you so much. जो सफर की शुरुआत करते हैं, वे मंजिल भी पा लेते हैं. बस एक बार चलने का हौसला रखना जरूरी है, क्योंकि अच्छे इंसानों का तो रास्ते भी इंतजार करते हैं. जी हाँ, नदियां तो बहुत है, लेकिन गंगा नदी की बात ही कुछ और है. मीनार तो बहुत हैं, कुतुब मीनार की बात ही कुछ और है. महल तो बहुत हैं, लेकिन ताजमहल की बात ही कुछ और है. क्लब्स तो बहुत हैं, लेकिन IWCNE की बात ही कुछ और है. जी हाँ, मुझे आंखों में थोड़े अश्रु भी आ रहे हैं. सीधी सीधी बात करने वाली, कश्ती को किनारे लगाने वाली, हर समस्या का समाधान सरलता से ढूंढने वाली, हर काम को अंजाम तक पहुंचाने वाली सखी, कहाँ तुम चली गई, अभी भी मेरे आंसू, मेरी प्यारी दीपा. मैं उसको छोटा सा तोहफा, I would request जूही एंड प्रतिभा to come.
दीपा जी की एक क्वालिटी थी कि आखिरी तक वो इतना बीमार थी. देखो लास्ट प्रोजेक्ट था, मैं आपके सामने रहता है तो वो मतलब कैसे किया होगा उन्होंने.
Thank you, Deepa. I know you are not here with me, but we will always miss you. You are one of our best people.
Also participant आ रहे हैं.
Yeah.
वो भी मैंने count कर लिया.
हवा है खुशबू की, निशा में ताकत है इनरव्हील की. इनरव्हील का व्हील आगे चलाने की. कद छोटा है तो क्या हुआ, जिसका कर्म दिलों का जीतने का है, उसे भला कौन नमन नहीं करेगा. प्यारी मुस्कुराहट, दिल से सेवा करने का जज्बा, आगे बढ़ो वाली सोच, हमारी पिलर ऑफ इनरव्हील. दुआओं की खान, निशा जी दुआ. दिलदार, बड़े से बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट हो, इनके हाथ सदा बड़े हैं. चाहे हो रिजोल्यूशन, चाहे हो पैन कार्ड, तेरा साथ है तो इनरव्हील को क्या कमी है. आपका साथ है तो इनरव्हील को क्या कमी है. खूबसूरत विचारों से परिपूर्ण, आगे बढ़ो वाली प्रवृत्ति, सदा साथ देने वाली, चाहे वो जूम हो, चाहे बैंक में 2:30 बजे पहुंच जाना. यस, दैट इज ऑलवेज परफेक्ट. आवर अनिता. खुशी उनको नहीं मिलती जो अपनी शर्तों पे जिंदगी जिया करते हैं. खुशी उनको मिलती है जो दूसरों को खुशी के लिए अपनी शर्तें बदल दिया करते हैं। जी हाँ, चाहे जन्मदिन हो, स्वेटर तो बांटना है। कहाँ पेंडेमिक है, हम रास्ते पे बांटेंगे, स्ट्रीट में। तो आइए, शोभा माहेश्वरी ऑलवेज हियर विद मी। सदा प्यार लुटाने वाली, जी हाँ, वर्चुअल पे बैठी हो लक्ष्मी वाधवानी जी, सुनना। सदा प्यार लुटाने वाली, सबकी मदद करने में तत्पर, दयालु दृष्टिकोण, सेवा भाव से ओतप्रोत, काम बताओ हो जाएगा, ऐसा आत्मविश्वास, बिना टेंशन हर कार्य में साथ देने का जज्बा, चाहे वो स्पॉन्सरशिप है या फिर कुछ और, ये है आपकी खासियत। आपने तो सुन ही दिया होगा वर्चुअल पे लक्ष्मी वाधवानी जी, आपकी प्राइज आपको पहुंच जाएगी। जी हाँ, सोनल जी भी वर्चुअल पे हैं। विचारधारा सदा नई सोच वाली, सब पर प्यार लुटाने वाली, दिल से भी सदा साथ देने वाली, हिम्मत देने वाली, ऑलवेज रेडी टू स्पॉन्सर। जी हाँ, यह है मेरी प्यारी सखी सोनल जी लालवानी, हमारी ब्यूटिशियन, दिल की भी सुंदर, सदा मुस्कुराती, हर कार्य करने में एवर रेडी, प्रभु की कृपा से भरपूर, भावनाओं को समझने वाली, विपरीत परिस्थितियों को नियंत्रण रखकर आगे बढ़ने वाली हमारी प्यारी स्वाति। बिना फरियाद, मुस्कुराती, समर्पण भाव से, सादगी से काम में सहयोग देना आपकी खासियत है। काम की सफलता ही मकसद है, सबके साथ मिलकर रहने में ही सुखी समझती है, ऐसी है। Now she is taking over as CC. She was CC, our Pratibha Asudani. दिया गया काम ईमानदारी और सच्चाई के साथ करना, मंजिल तक सबको साथ लेकर पहुंचना, गलत को रोकना, सदा नए नए प्रोजेक्ट्स पर विचार करते रहना, सफलता मिलने तक चिंतित रहना, आपके सद्गुणों से हमें प्रेरणा मिलती है। क्विज, माय गुडनेस, इतनी मेहनत करनी पड़ी थी हमें, और वी गॉट प्राइज आल्सो, दैट इज ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ आवर डॉक्टर उज्ज्वला मोहता। सो 3 cheers for Dr. Ujjwala ji, who is taking over as president also. My pleasure. Please. विनम्रता पूर्ण व्यवहार, दयालुता से भरा जीवन, निडर, अपने ही नाम को साकार रूप देने वाली हमारी आशा जी चौधरी, सकारात्मक सोच रखकर कार्य करने में माहिर, बच्चों में बच्चा, बड़ों में बड़ा, और सहजता जिनका कहना है। हमारी सांसों में आज तक उस भोजन की खुशबू है जिसे आपने बड़े प्यार और स्नेह से बनाकर खिलाया था। सबका ख्याल रखकर अपनी सच्ची सलोनी गति देखना आपका स्वभाव है। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आदरणीय हमारी who was vice president last year and taking over as secretary. तारीफों के मोहताज नहीं होते, तारीफों
भाविका ले ली, भाविका
तारीफों के मोहताज नहीं होते कभी अच्छे लोग, क्योंकि फूलों पर कभी इत्र नहीं लगाया जाता, क्योंकि चाहे फॉरेस्ट हो चाहे चार्टर डे सेलिब्रेशन हो, माय फार्म हाउस इज ऑलवेज देयर। यस, दैट इज संगीता जी अग्रवाल। एनी वर्क? यस, हो जाएगा। फूल को बुलबुल और शमा को परवाना चाहिए, सूरज को तपन और चांद को चांदनी चाहिए। हमें तो सिर्फ आपका प्यार चाहिए, क्योंकि डिवोटेड डिवोशन, डेडिकेशन एंड डिटर्मिनेशन, पूरे हरिओम सेवा के प्रोजेक्ट स्पॉन्सर करना हमारी डॉक्टर ज्योति मीठवानी। She has sponsored all the grocery item projects, most of the projects. She, Jaya Khatri, we are all members in that, and thank you so much. कल्पना जी शर्मा, सागर का विश्वास का दिल है, उनको हमने देखा है, जिनके गम है कोसों दूर, जिनके खुशहाल चेहरा हरदम देखा है, वो इंसानी जज्बा इनमें देखा है, दीन दुखियों की सेवा करते उनको हरदम हाजिर हमने देखा है, हाजिर हमने देखा है, चाहे वो सुई मशीन हो या रोड पे गरीब लोग बैठे हो,
शोभा जी आप बता दीजिए जो भी प्रोजेक्ट है, शी इज ऑलवेज देयर, आई एम टेलिंग यू, हैट्स ऑफ टू यू कल्पना जी। जिस सांचे में ढालो, अच्छे से सुनना, जिस सांचे में ढालो ढल जाएगी, खुशी खुशी तुम्हारे आने से इनरव्हील की सभा में महक आ जाती है। हिसाब रखने में ट्रांसपेरेंसी, परफेक्ट काम करने का जुनून, सत्कर्म की राह पर चलकर आशा और विश्वास के साथ जीने वाली शख्सियत है हमारी मीरा जी। अच्छे कर्मों का ओस चेहरे पर भी चमकता है। जी हाँ, सदा सच का साथ देने वाली, परोपकार से परिपूर्ण, चेहरा भी सुंदर, दिल भी सुंदर, सच्ची सलाह देने में ऑलवेज रेडी, आध्यात्मिकता के साथ जीवन जीने वाली हमारी उषा भुजवानी एंड लीना रुगवानी। उषा जी का हम यही दे देते हैं, लीना जी का हम वहां पहुंचा देते हैं, क्योंकि दोनों पक्की सहेलियां हैं।
मासी है।
मैं तो सहेलियां मानती हूँ, मासी को मानती है, मासी बाद में आप सहेलियां हैं। सोच बदलो सितारे बदल जाएंगे, नजर बदलो नजारे बदल जाएंगे, कश्ती बदलने की जरूरत नहीं है, कश्ती का रुख बदल दो किनारे बदल जाएंगे। ऐसी है हमारी मनीषा जी चौधरी, ऑलवेज रेडी। यस, चाहे फॉर्म भरना रहे, चाहे एनीवेयर एवरीवेयर, आई एम देयर। बुलेटिन में बहुत हेल्प की थी हमारी मनीषा जी। हाउ कैन वी फॉरगेट दैट डे। मुस्कुराना जिंदगी का वो लम्हा है जिसका अंदाज सब रिश्तों से अलविदा है, जिसे मिल जाए वो तन्हाई भी में भी खुश, और जिसे ना मिले वो भीड़ में भी अकेला है। ऐसी है हमारी मनीषा जी गायकवाड़। हमेशा कहती हैं शोभा जी, पैंडेमिक में आप एक बार भी नहीं निकली हो। चलिए कोई बात नहीं, नजरों से सुंदर भले दिल के करीब है आप, हमारे लिए हमेशा कुछ खास हैं आप। मिलता रहे आपका मार्गदर्शन, सदा यही गुजारिश है आपसे। आज ये है हमारी सारी पास्ट प्रेसिडेंट्स, तो यहाँ पर जो पास्ट प्रेसिडेंट यह शख्सियत, यह आखिरी है प्लीज। मुझे लग रहा है कि आप शायरियां सुन सुन के
नहीं, बहुत अच्छा
यह शख्सियत एक ऐसा नगीना है जो सच्चाई और शांति से कार्य करने में विश्वास करती है। बेटियों के लिए नई सोच, बेटियों का उद्धार करने वाले कामों में सदा सक्षम, ये है हमारी भारती आसुदारी। Bharti is also available on the virtual. तो with this thank you so much। और आप लोगों ने मुझे इतना एक साल का जो मौका दिया, I think I have proved। कुछ रह गया होगा तो अभी इस साल में हम आपके साथ, I am always there। Thank you so much।
थैंक यू शोभा जी, बहुत सुंदर पंक्तियों के साथ, शायरियों के साथ और अपने भाव के साथ जो सबके साथ आपका कनेक्शन रहा और आपने इतने सुंदर तरीके से उसको बयां किया, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका। आई रिक्वेस्ट आवर गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर डॉक्टर डिस्ट्रिक्ट सेक्रेटरी शीला जी देशमुख टू ऑनर द क्लब अवार्ड टू प्रेसिडेंट शोभा भाग्या एंड हर टीम। शोभा भाग्या का यह शोभा जी को अवार्ड मिले हैं नागपुर क्लब हिस्ट्री पहला, दूसरा डिस्ट्रिक्ट गोल एप्रिसिएशन,
give her a big hand friends।
एजुकेशनल हेल्प, एवरीवेयर इनरवील, अटेंडेंस इन कन्वेंशन, न्यू क्लब स्पॉन्सर।
Thank you so much। Thank you so much।
Congratulations, hearty congratulations। Shobha Bhagya, Shobha Maheshwari and the
जनरल
entire
सेक्रेटरी
team।
शोभा माहेश्वरी, जनरल सेक्रेटरी शोभा माहेश्वरी, बेस्ट सेक्रेटरी, consolation award to Shobha Bhagia। She received prizes in various ISO competition।
Shobha Maheshwari, please come forward to take your
Yeah.
trophy.
Best Secretary Consolation Award to Shobha Maheshwari. ISO Swati Ruchanani.
Swati, please come forward. May I request
Third
District
consolation.
Secretary Sheila ji to please give a word to Swati.
Third consolation prize in ISO dance competition. सभी ने देखा होगा ISO award है इसका बारिश के इसमें
Hearty congratulations to Shobha Bhagya, Shobha Maheshwari and the entire team of 2021. Now we proceed further. The annual installation marks an occasion when the leadership of a club is sought to pass from the old to the new, a kind of relay race. A leader is one who follows her vision silently and equalously. She is none other than Dr. Ujjwala Mohta, who had taken this prestigious post way back in 1997-98 and is back after almost 25 years with a renewed energy and vigor to shoulder the responsibility along with the sincere and dedicated Honorary Secretary Asha Chaudhary, who is ready to face challenges with all smiles. To introduce our new dynamic president, Dr. Ujjwala Mohta, I call upon club correspondent, past president Sangeeta Agarwal to highlight the lady life.
Dignitaries on the dance of the dance and my dear friends. Introduce our new president, Dr. Ujjwala Mohta. Dr. Ujjwala is very sweet and calm woman, born on 5th June in doctor's family with very progressive thinking for girls to pursue higher education. Father being renowned pediatrician of Amravati, Dr. Thakur Dasji Rathi, and mother Ayodhya Devi. She has done MBBS, MD, anesthesiology from GMC Nagpur in the year 1988. Since then, practicing, special interest being neuroanesthesia, epidural anesthesia. She manages state-of-art Kamal Institute of Endourology, Ramdas Peth. She is a life member of Indian Society of Anesthesiologists, Indian Society of Critical Care of Medicine, Academy of Medical Sciences, Association of Medical Women of India, and IAM. She is a trained yoga teacher. Represented college in volleyball, social work, volleyball team, even passed music Gayan exam. Her hobbies are gardening, cooking, traveling, social work, watching movies. She has joined in a way in the year 1993 and worked on almost all posts from ISO, treasurer, vice president, and became president in 1997. During her tenure, club organized district rally, published beautiful souvenirs, and hosted association council meetings, enthusiastically present in most of the district assemblies, rallies, and conferences. IIW convention, Jaipur held virtually in 2021. Recently, under her leadership, the team won second prize in District 303, Knowledge Queens Quiz Contest, where about 48 club participated. Married to urologist Dr. Narendra Mohta in the family of Justice Vallabhdas Mohta and Kamla Devi. She is blessed with two children, son Dr. Karthik in IITM, MS and PhD in flying robots from UPenn, Philadelphia. Is a research scientist, married to Dr. Vandana, an ENT surgeon, all living together with lovely twin granddaughters. Dr. Apurva is IT professional, did her master's in data analysis from US, married to Shashwat Sharma, both working in US as senior software developer in PayPal Phoenix, USA. Here at present, dynamic, multi-skilled, enthusiastic women, Dr. Ujjwala Mohta as our class president for the year 2022.
Friends, I recognize the virtual presence of Dr. Ruchi Chaudhary, our Honorary Secretary Asha Chaudhary's daughter-in-law, and our members, past President Rashmi Khurani and Amarjit Uppal. May I request outgoing President Shobha Bhagia to install our new President, Dr. Ujjwala Mohta, and honor her with collar, pin, and charter. We can see outgoing President Shobha Bhagia installing our incoming President Ujjwala Mohta. Doctor. Please present her with the charter. Thank you so much. And now I request Dr. Ujjwala Mohta to install Shobha Bhagia as immediate past president with a lapel pin and present her a memento. Within few seconds. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you and congratulations to both of you.
Hearty
And
congratulations.
I request you both to kindly change your seat as per protocol. Thank you so much.
Hearty congratulations to Dr. Ujjwala and best wishes for a successful inner wheel tenure. Congratulations.
The wonderful what you are doing.
Now Dr. Ujjwala Mohta is presenting the memento to IPP Shobha Bhagia. Thank you so much.
Now, club president, Dr. and calls her committee. Vice President, President Manisha Chaudhary, LLB, MBA, Civil Engineer, MA Psychology, BA Jyotish Shastra, Vastu Shastra Diploma, pursuing Diploma in Travel and Tourism, PP of Inner Wheel Club of Nagpur East, past President of Rotary Club of Nagpur, Green City, partner of Recent Event Solutions. Manisha name itself speaks about her quality. Example, intelligence, desire to work, thoughtfulness. She is a really multifaceted person. Thank you, Manisha. IPP Shobha Bhagia. BSc Diploma in Sales and Marketing, Master in Industrial Relations and Personal Management, BA in Yoga and Naturopathy, pursues MA in Yoga and Naturopathy. Shobha has tremendous capacity to work. Sabko pata hi hai. I have never seen her tired as I know her. She is an expert in multitasking and also a techno savvy. Thank you, Shobha. Thank you. Honorary Secretary Asha Shyam Chaudhary. She is BSc, MBA, LLB from Mumbai University, retired from State Bank of India in 2013. I am fortunate and lucky to have her as my better half in the club. Asha Bhabhi is a very balanced, dependable, meticulous person, wins the heart of a person by her cousin and sweet talk.
Since all these beautiful words are written by Dr. Ujjwala Mohta on behalf of we both us to pin up and say so.
बहुत सुंदर लिखा है सभी के लिए. ट्रेजरर अनीता जी. बस मैं पढ़ रही हूँ वर्ड्स भाभी के हैं. She is backbone of our club. Handled the tenureship so well last year that we wanted her to take the responsibility again. Anita Bhabhi hat trick as Acting as a treasurer. मैं उन्हीं से सुनना चाहती थी. As a energetic, personality, always ready to take responsibility of things to any program. ISO Shobha Maheshwari. She is Bachelor of Architect, Master in Designing, Diploma in Vastu Shastra. Shobha means beautiful, charming. In addition, she is very energetic and love socializing with active participation. CC Sangeeta Agrawal. She has done BSc in Maths and Diploma in Dress Designing. Director in Ishan Minerals Private Limited. Look after admin and account section. She has got so many qualities. She is versatile, energetic, hardworking. Once again, any job will put her full energy in it and finish it nicely. We can see this in e-bulletin published now. CCCCPP Nisha Duaji. Born in Myanmar, gold medalist in BA Honors, diploma in hotel management with distinction, winner of AP State Swimming and Table Tennis. In Arvil, received Best CC, Best Secretary twice and Best President Award. Nisha means night. As the name suggests, she is a very quiet, intelligent and knowledgeable person. Very kind-hearted. If you have Nisha in your friend list, you would never like to leave her because she is an amazing and helpful person whom you will be always trusted. Executive.
Now I'll start the executive team, friends, executive members. Jaya Khatri. No, the words are very beautiful. Please hear. Jaya Khatri. She is MSc in chemistry, got into business. She is president of Sindhi Council of India, Nagpur Ladies Chapter. Her name depicts victory and has splendid luck with friends. She has made friendship with anybody in no time. The most important gift to her is pragmatism, quality to solve any problem by practical approach. Mrs. Kalpana Sharma, a graceful aristocratic personality, belongs to the well-known Bednar family. Her kind and simple nature makes us feel comfortable. Despite of her busy schedules, she tries to attend the meetings and projects of her club. She is an asset to Island family. Dr. Manisha Khare. Dr. Manisha Khare, an eminent and senior dental surgeon and oral cosmetologist practicing in Dharampet and Kamal Chowk areas of Nagpur for last 32 years. Here is one of the only NABH accredited dental clinic in central India. During the years of her study, she was awarded the Best Student Award among all dental colleges in India and Sri Lanka by the International College of Dentistry. She is wife of Dr. Neeraj Khare, an oral and maxillofacial surgeon. She is blessed with a son, Dr. Naman Khare, also an oral and maxillofacial surgeon, and daughter, Dr. Nitisha Khare, who is doing ophthalmology from BG Medical College, Ahmedabad. Her name tells us that she's a true friend, a person with her own uniqueness. Her nature, looks, and beauty wins everybody with a pure smile. Thank you. Pratibha Asudani worked as high school teacher for 36 years and retired as a vice principal, but surrounded by a family of medical professionals. Pratibha means talent. She's genius, clever, meticulous in her work, ever smiling, cheerful, a silent worker, responsible on whom you can always rely. Swati Ruchandani. Swati is the name of a nakshatra, name of the brightest star, also a name of goddess Saraswati. She is vibrant, kind, pure, shiny, and precious as a pearl. As a creative urge, owns a well-known beauty salon, true entrepreneur. Usha Bhojwani, she doing hospital management. Usha means sunrise or dawn. She has magnetic presence, full of elegant and charismatic ways. She loves to live a well-organized, systematic, and orderly life. We all admire her personality.
माइक चालू नहीं है क्या? नहीं, acceptance speech है।
Congratulations to the entire executive committee of 2021-22. Just few lines for a few. चलने की कोशिश तो करो, दिशाएं बहुत हैं। रास्ते पर बिखरे कांटों से मत डरो, तुम्हारे साथ दुआएं बहुत है। तुम्हारे साथ दुआएं बहुत। आपकी आइए।
आप सामने ऐसा लोग पेपर में तो फिर बाद में मिलता है।
तू भी तो आ जाओ।
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
I recognize the physical presence of President of Nagpur Enemy Club Nagpur Orange City Padma Kethe. Welcome. I request President Dr. Ujjwala Mota to express her aspirations. Okay. Secretary Innovation Club of Nagpur Orange City Komal Akbari is also present here. Please welcome her friends. Welcome Komal. Thank you. Thank you, Shobha. Now I request President Dr. Ujjwala Mota to express her aspirations and goals for the year 2021-22.
Today's chief guest, Dr. Archana Kothari, guest of honor, District Secretary Sheila Deshmukh, all the dignitaries and dear friends. I shall begin by projecting a picture. Is there? Okay. This picture got viral when Indian women scientists put a satellite around the Mars. We can do it and we have done it. I admire Ritu Karidhar, the rocket woman of India. She aimed for the stars and reached to the Mars. Due to pigeonholing, your work is this and only this. Our women are not able to break out with the danger assigned roles. But if you start without the fear that you won't be able to manage so much, if you break the internal glass ceiling first, these roles can change, the rules can change. You need to first show how high you can climb, someone else not allowing, that comes later. The year which passed was difficult for all of us. Internet, Zoom, and the virtual platforms came to our rescue. Both Shobha's president and honorary secretary had successful and wonderful tenure. The club congratulates them. It is my privilege to be inducted as the 56th president of this prestigious club. I know it is a big responsibility and challenge too that came with my acceptance, but this journey would be smooth if you all join hands with me. My aim is to widen membership and bring in diverse but rich culture with good values. Mix of age groups would make a good spectrum. Seniors provide knowledge and expertise while young brings the momentum and a fresh elan. Every member is unique. During the ominous period of pandemic, we have understood that geographically distant Innerville friends are not really distant. We got closer than ever because of the new communication tools. This also helped us to enrich our knowledge, share ideas, and the various worldwide projects for underprivileged women and children. My vision is to make women and children of the society computer literate, health conscious, environment friendly, and be aware about the harmful effects of the drug addiction. Make Innerville a household name for fellowship, friendship, and service. Before I close, I want to recite a few lines of a famous social activist and poet, Maya Angelou. Next slide. Men themselves have wondered what they see in me. They try so much, but they cannot touch my inner mystery. When I try to show them, they say they still can't see. Now you understand just why my head is not bowed. I don't shout or jump about or have to talk real loud. When you see me passing, I ought to make you proud. I am a woman, phenomenal woman, that's me. Thank you for your patient hearing. Thank you.
So much, Dr. Ujjwala.
नई हवा है, नई लहर है, नई हवा है, नई लहर है, नई महक है मतवाली, और नए कुछ मौसम लाए दुनिया भी सपनों वाली. हम तो रंग जमाने बैठे हैं, रंगों में नहला देंगे. चलो करें फिर शुरू, बजा दें एक बार खुलकर ताली. इन सब प्यारे शब्दों के साथ मैं हमारे नए और कुछ पुराने मेंबर्स को आपसे मिलवाना चाहूंगी. Dr. Kirti Tushar Patil, MBBS, MD in microbiology. She is blessed with 2 children. Next is Dr. Leela Bhaurao Pendam, Senior Chief National Officer. She is also blessed with her 2 children and a talented daughter-in-law. Third one is Renuka Verma. She is a science graduate and founder JCI Nagpur Colors. Tehseen Iqbal Memon. She is a bachelor in arts and a homemaker. Next, Neha Ramrekyani. She is a MBA in finance marketing. She is also a homemaker. Bhumika Ramrekyani, BCom and diploma in interior designing and new practicing as a freelancer. Next is Paki Chawla. She is master in arts and homemaker. Next is Ritu Gidwani. She is a master in commerce and homemaker.
Thank you, Jaya. Now I would like to call out names of the old members who have rejoined. दोस्तों, पुराना रिश्ता कभी खत्म नहीं होता. बातों से छूटा तो आंखों में रह जाता है, आंखों से छूटा तो यादों में रह जाता है. हमें बेहद खुशी हो रही है कि कुछ पुराने मेंबर्स वापस हमारे क्लब में हमारे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं. पास्ट प्रेसिडेंट प्रेमलता फतेहपुरिया, स्मिता जैन, सरिता पराशर, ज्योति कोठारी, अमरजीत उपल and Pooja Saluja. We welcome you all once again to our Innerville family. Now I request Executive Member Swati Ruchandani to introduce 2 honorary members and 1 honored active member. Swati, please come. शक्ति का मनीषा।
थैंक यू निशा। शक्ति का अवतार है नारी, धैर्य का भंडार है नारी, नारी बिन ये जग है सूना, जीवन का आधार है नारी। I would like to introduce you all to our honorary member of Innerville Club, Nagpur East. Respected Mrs. Pramila Masrani. She has done MA and B.Ed. She is retired Vice President of Girls Junior College. Currently, she is Chairperson of Mangalwari Zone MNC. She is active member of political party and participate in many social activities as well. Her hobby is reading spiritual books. Next is respected Mrs. Nagina Agrawal. She has done BA in Home Science. She is a partner at Surabardi Meadows. Her hobbies are gardening, bonsai, and knitting. Respected Mrs. Sushma Malani, Senior Past President of our club. She is a member of our club since last 22 years and has also been post holder of all posts. I welcome all three strong personalities. Thank you.
Thank you, Swati. I now request District Secretary Sheelaji Deshmukh to welcome the galaxy of new, old, honorary and honored active members of the club.
न्यू क्लब्स जो भी न्यू मेंबर्स जो इस क्लब में ज्वाइन हुए हैं, इन्हें आज हम इनोविल क्लब की सदस्य बना रहे हैं। इस उपलक्ष्य में मैं इनका स्वागत करती हूँ। हर अधिकार से साथ कर्तव्य जुड़ रहे हैं। इस क्लब की सदस्य बनने का आपका अधिकार विशेष स्वरूप का है। हमें यह विश्वास है कि सदस्यता के अधिकार के साथ आने वाली मित्रता और सेवा की जिम्मेदारी का भी आप स्वागत करेगी। आप महसूस करेंगे कि आप अपनी सहेलियों के बीच हैं और क्लब के सभी उपक्रमों में आप उत्साह और उल्लास के साथ शामिल होगी। वेलकम टू द क्लब।
Thank you, Sheila ji. Editor is the communicator of club via friends and social media. Now I request our club correspondent, past president Sangeeta Agrawal to present our club's first bulletin for the year 2021-22. To our chief guest, Dr. Archana ji, and guest of honor Sheila ji for the release. Friends, our club's first bulletin is being released today. Please give them a big hand. Just made in hardly 1 week. Hardly 1 week's time she has made the bulletin. Udan, golden towards diamond. It's a beautiful bulletin. Thank you, Sangeeta. Thank you, Dr. Archana ji, and thank you, Dr. Sheila ji. Thank you all. Thank you so much.
मैं आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगी हमारी एग्जीक्यूटिव मेंबर प्रतिभा जी आसुदानी को कि वे हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट आईएसओ शीला जी देशमुख से हमें रूबरू कराएं।
I am honored and it's my proud privilege to introduce District Secretary, Innerville District. Mrs. Sheila Deshmukh was born on 19 September 1967 in the Jain family at Bhia, Maharashtra. Her schooling was at
Kanosa Convent School, Dhule. She is a Bachelor of Science with specialization in botany from Jai Hind College of Science, Dhule. After the graduation, she has done certificate course in home science from SNDT College, Mumbai, where she topped the distinctions. Besides academics, she excelled in sports, winning college colors in handball and kabaddi. She received the prestigious Best All-Round Student Award for demonstrating excellence in leadership, character, dancing, and sports. She also captained the women's kabaddi team of Khandesh, Maharashtra. She taught in the Point School, Nagpur for 3 years from 1997 to 2000. Mrs. Sheila Deshmukh is married to Mr. Sunil Deshmukh, a successful entrepreneur with an industry in MIDC Nagpur. They are blessed with 2 children. Son Siddhant is a mechanical engineer. He is an industrialist running a factory of tissue paper products at Wadi, Nagpur. He is married to Bhavni. She is working with IT field Infosets, Nagpur. Daughter Smriti is an architect working as a set designer in Bollywood, married to Raghu, a director of photography, cinematographer in Bollywood. Mrs. Sheila Deshmukh is socially very active and devotes her time and energy to various social organizations like Innerville Club of Nagpur, Innerville District 303, Grahani Samaj, Hanuman Nagar Nagpur, member of Jain Samaj Mehla Mandals Nagpur, Ramtek Paiwari Mandal Nagpur, and accompanied the team walking from Nagpur to Ramtek with palanquin at the time of Ramnavami for many years. Creativity and love for small kids attracts her to conduct vocational classes of painting and craft work. She is a Mehndi designer and has beautifully decorated hands of many brides. She has conducted Mehndi design classes at her residence for 5 years. Being a botany student, has love for greenery, kitchen gardening, and clean environment. Love for dance makes her walk the stage of entertainment. Interested in traveling by train and has explored almost all beautiful parts of India. She has visited the Scandinavian countries, Denmark, Norway, and Sweden with Innerville friends and attended the International Innerville Convention in May 2015. She has attended almost all events of Innerville in the association and district since 2019 till date. Mrs. Sheila Deshmukh has immense faith in the power of Innerville to bring about significant sustainable change and continues to contribute and participate in these humanitarian programs in the service of community. She holds the district secretary post in Innerville District 303. She strongly believes in the following thought. मेरी भावना रहे भावना ऐसी मेरी सरल सत्य व्यवहार करूं बने जहां तक इस जीवन में औरों का उपकार करूं मैत्री भाव जगत में मेरा सब जीवों से नित्य रहे दीन दुखी जीवों पर मेरे उर से करुणा स्रोत बहे कुछ और भी दो
थैंक यू प्रतिभा जी, बहुत सुंदर शब्दों के साथ आपने वो किया। हमारे आज के गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर शीला जी देशमुख से अनुरोध करना चाहूँगी कि वे चंद शब्दों द्वारा हमें प्रोत्साहित करें और आशीर्वचनों से हमें नवाजें। हाँ बैठ के ही करेंगे
बस हो गया.
Thank you, Pratibha ji, for so wonderful introduction. Newly installed President Dr. Ujjwala, DC Ashwini present virtually, Chief Guest Dr. Archana Kothari ji. I think Gauri is present virtually, PDC Gauri. Guest presents on and off the dais, past presidents and my dear Innerville friends present physically and virtually. Cheerful greetings to one and all. At the outset, I extend my hearty congratulations to President Dr. Ujjwala and her team members. My sincere best wishes for a bright, successful year ahead. What a proud feeling it is to belong to this wonderful organization called Innerville. It has encouraged us to take a more kindly look at life. It has taught us tolerance and the desire to see the best in others, and has brought us into pleasant and helpful contacts with each other. Membership in Innerville gives us opportunity and the ability through collective efforts to put something back into the society, and has done so much for us. The old proverb says, if you want happiness for 5 minutes, take a nap. If you want happiness for a week, take a vacation. If you want happiness for a year, inherit in fortune. But if you want happiness forever, help others and achieve the true satisfaction in serving the needy. Accepting the overcoming challenges is extremely satisfying. IPP Shobha ji accepted the challenge of the pandemic and worked for Innerville excitedly the whole year. I would like to say for her, जो तूफान में चलते हैं, वही दुनिया बदलते हैं. Congratulations, Shobha ji and your team for the super successful tenure. 1st July 2021 to 30th June 2022. In this new year, Innerville year, our International Innerville President, Ebbe Martins, has given us an international theme, Pink First, with the international service project, Strong Woman, Stronger World. Our association president, Sarojji Katiyar, has given us all a very meaningful goal, Shiroz. She says that the male folk of the society are heroes, and so the females are Shiros. The woman inside in you is Shiros. Empowering women, securing lives. The objectives for the year will be dedicated to the superwoman in each one of us. Here is the classification for Shiros. S is for Stri Shakti, supporting women entrepreneurs. H is for health, hygiene, happiness, awareness for all. E is for earth care, responsibilities towards nature. R is for refresh. She says that refresh yourself with triennial conference named Envision. It is on February 11th, 12th, 13th, 2022 in Varanasi. O is for orphanage and old age home assistance, conquering loneliness, spreading smiles. E is for e-learning and eradication of social evils. S is for spreading the wings of the Innerville. These are the association goals. The district goals given by DC Ashwini ji are again two magic words, Women and water. For women, go digital, arrange physical and virtual training workshops on personality development, e-learning, and availability of marketing platforms. For water, go for water harvesting programs in the society, save water awareness programs, etc. Friends, myself as a district secretary would like to motivate the club members to help the new team in working smoothly the whole year. Participate in district events like rallies, conference, zonal meets, association events, triennial conference, and international Innerville events. I'm sure with the team members' help, President Ujjwala will rock this year too. Innerville has provided me a huge platform for my talent and lighted my path on friendship and social service. Work in such a way that you leave your footprints behind. No candle loses its light by lighting another candle. So, friends, I urge you to have faith in yourself. Shed the fears. मन से डर को निकाल फेंको. Forget the tears. आंसुओं को भूल जाओ. खुश रहो. बराबरी की सखियों का हाथ थामो. अपने अंदर की ऊर्जा प्रतिभा को पहचानो और अपने सारे सपने पूरे करो. मैं आप सबको शुभकामनाएं देती हूं कि मेरे पूरे साल आप इतना बेहतरीन काम करोगी कि दुनिया आपका काम हमेशा याद रखेगी. धन्यवाद.
Thank you so much, Sheila ji, for your inspiring words and motivation for all of us. Now I call upon ISO Shobha Maheshwari to introduce our chief guest of today, Dr. Archana Kothari.
A very pleasant afternoon, friends. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce you to our today's chief guest, Dr. Archana Kothari. She has been practicing as obstetrician and gynecologist for last 30 years. She is the director of Kothari Hospital, Bandha Road, Nagpur. Very proudly, I would like to mention that she is an immediate past president of IMA, also associated as a life member with IMA, Nagpur Obstetrics and Gynecology Society, FOGSI, Association of Medical Women of India, and Academy of Medical Sciences. She has worked in the capacity of Joint Secretary, Joint Treasurer, and Clinical Secretary for norms. It's a privilege to announce that she has won many awards in medical field, out of which I would especially like to mention that she has been awarded as a COVID Yoddha at the hands of Shri Mati. रखते सभी का ख्याल और किया इस कोरोना काल में उपचार. रखते सभी का ख्याल और किया इस कोरोना काल में उपचार. ये डॉक्टर ही होते हैं धरती पर, ईश्वर का अवतार, ईश्वर का अवतार. Archana ji is my dear sister. Her other awards and achievements are Best Secretary Award by IMA Maharashtra, State Appreciation Award by IMA Maharashtra State for wonderful work done during COVID. IFM Healthcare Excellence Award for Obstetrics and Gynecology. Special Appreciation Award for Somnath Medical and Surgical Camp by Rotary Club of Nagpur Southeast that she received for 3 times. Best Annual Award from Rotary Club of Nagpur Southeast that too she received for 3 times. Presenting posters and papers in national, international, state and local conference in OEGYN. Received first prize in debate competition organized international conference by Menopause Society. Special Appreciation Award by NOM for the work done during COVID. Received first prize in cooking for Her field of interest is high risk pregnancy management. Her husband, Dr. Jagdish Ji Kothari, is a general surgeon, and a couple is blessed with two beautiful daughters, Pooja and Prachi. Pooja is also doing MS in obstetrics and gynecology from KDM Hospital in Pune. Prachi is in final MBBS at NKP, Sandhya and Lata Mangeshkar Hospital. Archana likes traveling, cooking. She is a very much of a friendly nature lady. Please join me in welcoming her. मंच रोशन हुआ जगमगाहट हुई, मंच रोशन हुआ जगमगाहट हुई, आपके आगमन से हर किसी को खुशी मिली. स्वागतम स्वागतम स्वागतम. Present you, Dr. Archana Kothari.
Thank you so much, Shobha, for your sweet words. Strong Women, Stronger World is the international innovative social project, the reflection of which is visible in our chief guest today, Dr. Archana Kothari. May I request her to please address the August gathering.
Thank you. बैठ के बोल. Thank you, Shobha, for such beautiful words. Shobha is my cousin also and my very good friend also. So getting introduced by a friend is, and by a sister is a real true introduction. Thank you. Thank you very much. Today's President, Dr. Ujjwala Mohta, Secretary, Shri Ashaji Chaudhary, District Secretary, today's guest of honor, Sheila, dignitaries present on the dais, dignitaries present off the dais, dignitaries attending this function online, and members of Rotary Club, Innerville Club, and others. A very good afternoon to you all. मैं जब शोभा जी का सब ये सुन रही थी, तब मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि इन्होंने इस डिफिकल्ट आवर में, बिकॉज you all know that year 2021 was a year like no other year has gone like this. It was the unprecedented situation of COVID has actually पूरी जिंदगी थम सी गई थी. हम इस तरीके के वक्त से कभी गुजरे नहीं, और इसमें there were unexplained challenges and unexplored things, but still she could do lot of work, and definitely she needs applaud for that. आपके लिए दो लाइनें कहना चाहूंगी. मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, उड़ान हौसलों से होती है, और आपने जो उड़ान भरी वो सही में तारीफे काबिल है. And we really appreciate the work done by your team. Congratulations to Dr. Ujjwala, जो second time ये क्लब का चार्ज ले रहे हैं. सीढ़ियां उन्हें मुबारक जिन्हें छत तक जाना है. सीढ़ियां उन्हें मुबारक जिन्हें छत तक जाना है. मेरी मंजिल तो आसमान है और रास्ता मुझे बनाना है. तो इसीलिए उज्ज्वला जी, आपने दूसरी बार इस क्लब का पदभार संभाला है, जिसके लिए आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई. When I was going through the brochure and all the theme of this year and the goals, the goal is build, motivate and grow, and the theme is empowering women and securing lives. I would like to ask you a question. Do we really need empowerment? क्या हमें empowerment की जरूरत है? We are already empowered.
Stree is equated with Shakti. Stree is energy. Yes. Yes. Stree is Shakti, Stree is energy. Stree is strength, she is beauty. She is compassion, she is power, she is wisdom. She is a creator. She nurtures and maintains creation. She brings transformation. She is Siddhi. She brings fulfillment and totality in every sphere of life. But yes, we have to bring out this power of Stree, and for that we have to work. And this is why we want to empower her. So, how we will do this? We will have to educate. Not only educating in the terms of literacy, but we have to educate in the field of health and hygiene. We will have to educate the female in the field of, we have to educate her as an entrepreneur. We have to educate her about gender equality. We have to educate her as a social leader, and we have to educate her about substance abuse also. So we have lot many works to do, which we can do for our female counterparts. हेल्दी है तो हैप्पी है. हेल्थ के लिए हम फीमेल्स सबसे ज्यादा खुद के लिए ही हम लोग, मतलब हमारा ध्यान नहीं रखते हैं. चाहे कितने भी पढ़े लिखे हो, लेकिन फिर भी कुछ भी घर में है तो सबसे ज्यादा पहले जाएगा उसमें का हिस्सा हस्बैंड को, फिर बच्चों को, फिर बचेगा तो हमारे हिस्से में आएगा. ये एजुकेटेड लोगों के साथ है. तो जो पुअर है, डाउन ट्रॉडन है, उनके साथ तो और भी प्रॉब्लम है. बट हमेशा मैं हर प्लेटफॉर्म से एक ही बात कहती हूँ कि यदि नारी फिट है, घर की नारी यदि फिट है तो घर फिट है, तो परिवार फिट है, और परिवार फिट है तो हमारा समाज फिट है. तो सबसे पहले हमको फिट करना होगा. उसके लिए हमें खुद को अवेयर करना होगा और साथ में लोगों को भी अवेयर करवाना होगा. हेल्थ एजुकेशन यदि हम देते हैं तो एजुकेशन से हमें पावर आता है, थॉट प्रोसेस चेंज होता है, एंड वी आर रेडी टू accept the challenges, and at the same time we are ready to fight for our rights also. So this we have to, through this we have to educate the woman that yes, gender equality is our right. We have to educate males also that females are no less than males. Basically हमें अपने आप को ही निर्बल है, नारी निर्बल है, नारी अशक्त है, ऐसा बोल के हम पीछे हो जाते हैं. हम अशक्त नहीं हैं, हम सशक्त हैं. So in case of health, you will have to educate them about proper nutrition, about taking hygiene, about menstruation is still a taboo in our society. We will have to educate that this is not a taboo. आज भी पूजा नहीं करते, कुछ मंदिरों में नहीं जाते, ये सब टैबूज है. वी विल हैव टू एजुकेट देम रिगार्डिंग दिस. पैड्स यूज करना है. अभी तो सस्टेनेबल मेंस्ट्रुएशन पे हम लोग एजुकेट कर रहे हैं. तो ये सब बातें इको फ्रेंडली, सस्टेनेबल मेंस्ट्रुएशन इज इको फ्रेंडली, इसके बारे में भी एजुकेट करना बहुत जरूरी है. देन एनीमिया, न्यूट्रिशन ही अच्छा नहीं रहेगा तो एनीमिया रहने ही वाला है. और एनीमिया है तो फटीग होने वाला, काम नहीं कर सकेंगे. प्रेगनेंसी यदि एनीमिया में रहती है तो उसके इतने सारे प्रॉब्लम्स है, क्योंकि बच्चा भी जो डेवलप होगा वो भी वीक रहेगा. सो द साइकिल विल गो ऑन. सो यू विल हैव टू एजुकेट देम अबाउट दिस ऑल्सो. एंड दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि हम हेल्थ और हाइजीन के बारे में उनको एजुकेट करें. और उसके लिए आपको क्लासेस लेना होगा, आपको एडोलेसेंट्स को भी एजुकेट करना होगा, और इसके लिए आपको इंडियन मेडिकल एसोसिएशन का कोई हेल्प लगता है तो नागपुर ऑब्स्टेटिक गायनिक सोसाइटी का कोई हेल्प लगता है तो वी आर ऑलवेज देयर टू हेल्प यू, एंड वी आर ऑल्सो गोइंग विथ मिशन पिंक हेल्थ. This is our IMS National Indian Medical Association's national theme, under which we are also motivating doctors to take adolescent checkups, their health camps, and in that we are also taking all these educational programs. And gender equality is very important. तो ये सब संभव है यदि हम इन सब गोल्स पे काम करते हैं. हम कर रहे हैं, आप लोग भी कर रहे हैं, हम डॉक्टर्स लोग भी कर रहे हैं, बाकी भी सोसाइटीज कर रही है, लेकिन यूज our social influence and power to create awareness amongst community and work with government, work as entrepreneur. Organizations like Innerville or other women organizations like Rotary can give momentum to such activities, and you have to create that momentum so that हम हमेशा बोलते हैं कंधे से कंधा लगा के काम करना है. कंधे से कंधा क्यों लगाना है? हम इक्वल है, हम भी काम कर सकते हैं, हमें भी इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलना चाहिए, इसके लिए हमें फाइट करना होगा. तो आपको जो एजुकेट करना है, डाउन ट्रॉडन को अलग तरह से करना है, लेकिन जो एजुकेटेड है उनको भी आपको एजुकेट इस तरीके से करना है कि यस, यू कैन गो इन पॉलिटिक्स, यू कैन गो इन सोशल सर्कल्स, एंड यू कैन वर्क इक्वली, and you can bring more changes in the society, because पूर्ण शक्ति, पूर्ण स्वरूप है नारी, क्यों हम पीछे रहे, यही मेरा आपको कहना है. आपके लिए कहना चाहूंगी उज्ज्वला जी, संभव की सीमा जानने का केवल एक ही तरीका है, असंभव से भी आगे निकलना, और मुझे यकीन है आप ये काम जरूर करेंगी. जिंदगी के सफर की राह में निर्बलता की बेड़ियां तोड़ना है, अपने पंखों को सशक्त बनाकर हिम्मत की उड़ान लेकर अपने मंजिल तक पहुंचना है. अब बस अपने हौसलों की उड़ान देखना, क्योंकि आप वो परिंदे हैं जो पिंजरे ले उड़ेंगे. ये सारे नारी शक्ति के लिए मैं कह रही हूँ कि आप वो परिंदे हैं जो पिंजरे ले उड़ेंगे, सिर्फ हौसले बुलंद होने चाहिए. सो अराइज, अवेक and stop not until the goal is reached. Wishing you all the best in all your endeavor, and I'm thankful very much for calling me as chief guest and honoring me on this very beautiful platform. And thank you very much. तहे दिल से आप सभी का धन्यवाद.
थैंक यू अर्चना जी, इतने सुंदर विचार और हमने पावर भरने के लिए, नारी शक्ति को जगाने के लिए हर एक छोटी से बड़ी बात आप सबके सामने रख के सबको मोटिवेट करने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद दिल से. बस ऐसे लग रहा था आपको सुनते जाएं.
Thank you so much for your beautiful words
बहुत
and to guide us. Thank you.
थैंक
Friends, here I would like to mention that our member Shashi Ji Nibhani is also here since a long time, and past president Vandana Sharma. This is the speaker.
अब मैं प्रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर उज्ज्वला जी से कहना चाहूंगी कि वे आज के हमारे मुख्य अतिथि डॉक्टर अर्चना कोठारी एवं विशेष अतिथि शीला जी देशमुख को स्मृति चिन्ह देकर सम्मानित करें.
Thank you so much, Dr. Ujjwala.
हमारी प्यारी सी स्नेहमयी ऑनरेरी सेक्रेटरी आशा जी भाभी से निवेदन करना चाहूंगी कि वे अपने आने वाले प्रोजेक्ट्स की रूपरेखा हमारे सामने रखें एवं नेक्स्ट मीटिंग की जानकारी भी दें. आशा भाभी.
Thank you. Honorable dignitaries present on the dais and virtually present on Zoom platform, and all my friends. Namaskar. I'm here to present the forthcoming projects planned by our club for the month of July. We have already completed the tree plantation project coming under the mega project of our district. 101 saplings of various trees and flowering plants were planted at 4 different locations of Nagpur. Our forthcoming projects are the first project comes under the association goal She Rose. जैसे कि अभी बताई है शीला जी ने, the H stands for health and hygiene. Renovation of 5 toilets used by girls of Jawahar Convent School, Katoldo. At present, the toilets are in a very bad condition. Second is again regarding webinar of health and that is menstrual hygiene for girl students of 3 different schools. जैसे कि हमारी चीफ गेस्ट ने हमको ये सजेस्ट किया और हमने पहले से ही अपने प्लान में लिया हुआ है, तो ये बहुत ही हमें खुशी हुई. The third project stands for letter E of Shiros, that is e-learning. Under this, the digital literacy will be provided to the members of all the clubs from our district, and that is for operating Zoom, PPT presentation, etc. The fourth one is donation of school fees by our members to 2 needy girls. One of them is Sakshi, whose guardianship we took during Mission Mamta campaign. जैसे पहले अभी शोभा जी ने बताया हुआ है, तो एक हमने साक्षी करके लड़की को अडॉप्ट किया है. Since then, friends, we are taking care of her time to time. That's all for now. Our next general body will be in the second week of August. Till then, friends, आप अपना ख्याल रखिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए.
Thank you so much, Asha ji. Now I request, before we proceed to formal vote of thanks, I would like to convey best wishes sent from America through voice message by our very own past district chairman, Razia Aunty. She has congratulated Shobha Bhagia and blessed President Dr. Ujjwala for a successful tenure. And Association CCCC PA Dr. Rashmi Sharma has also sent best wishes to Dr. Ujjwala and team, as she is not able to join virtually because she is traveling. And now I request Vice President Manisha Chaudhary to please propose the formal vote of thanks.
Today's chief guest, Dr. Archana Kothari ma'am, guest of honor, District Secretary, District 303, Sheila Deshmukh ma'am, President Dr. Ujjwala Mehta, Secretary Asha Chaudhary, immediate past President Shobha Bhatia, Secretary Shobha Maheshwari, Innerville friends. On behalf of Innerville Club of Nagpur East, I, Manisha Chaudhary, as Vice President, feels privileged to express gratitude to all those who work hard for this program to make it a success. Thank you so much, Dr. Archana Kothari, for accepting our invitation and for giving us valuable time. Thank you, District Secretary Sheila, for your words, wishes, and guiding us. Thank you, DC Ashwini ji, for virtual presence. Thank you, President Padma and Secretary Kumari from Innerville Club Orange City for attending the program. Thank you, immediate past President Shobha, for your wonderful presentation. The work you have done is really appreciable. With Secretary Shobha, who was always there for help. Thank you, Shobha Maheshwari. Thank you, Team 2020-2021, for your work, made our club proud. Thank you, Shobha, for your elegant devotion. Thank you, thank you, Sarita Parashati, for the melodious innovation song. Thank you, Nagpur Neuro Society IMA, for making this hall available for the program. Julie and Pratibha, thank you so much for coming and accepting the trophies on behalf of our friend Deepa. Thank you all new members for joining club. Thank you all the who are present on virtual platform. Thank you, Sumanda and Venuka, for helping out in overall management. Thank you, Asha Kakkarji, for IT and snacks. Thank you, Yes Services, for the sound and telecast services without interruption. Last but not the least, I thank MOC Nisha and Jaya for making the installation ceremony a Lajabab one with a wonderful Shero Shairi. Your two-liners breaks a smile so everyone's face. Thank you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Manisha, for your beautiful words.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, dear. Request President Dr. Ujjwala Mota to please adjourn the meeting. Thank you. Friends, please rise for national anthem.
राष्ट्र गौरव। हाँ, इस मुल्क की मिट्टी की अब पहचान गाते हैं कि चंदन जिसको कहते हैं वो सम्मान गाते हैं। करें महफिल में अपने मुल्क की अब बात क्या यारों, सभी मुल्क में जो चमके वो हिंदुस्तान गाते हैं। जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग, तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाए तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
भारत माता की जय, वंदे
मातरम।
Thank you all. Please join us for fellowship and high tea on the ground floor. Thank you, friends. Please come for a group picture for newspaper.
ये वाला सुनो ना, ये अपन लेवल ऐसा करता है।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, नहीं तो रह जाते हैं।